Good afternoon, children. How are you? I am sure you all are doing great. Okay, today we are starting our the second work, that is the lines. In a lines we have too many different types. I will show how you should do that. Okay, when you will complete your work, how it will look, I will show that one first. Okay, then we will start the work. See children, this is your lines work. Okay, here 9 boxes will be there. In the 9 box, 9 different lines will be there, and I will show how you should draw the boxes and how you should do the lines. Everything I will show. So please be ready with your material. Okay children, now we will start our class. For today's work we need a A4 sheet, scale and a pencil. Now I will show how you should draw the box. Okay, first observe that how we should draw the box, then you can start to do the work children. First we should do the border. I think all of you know how to do the border, so I am not telling that how you should do. Once your border over, just what you have to do, you have to take a measurement from here to here. Totally 28 centimeters will be there. Okay children, now what you should do, from here leave 1 centimeter. Okay, put a first dot. After that, near 8 you should put a dot. Then leave 2 numbers. Near 10 do again another 1 dot. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Near 17 you should put a dot. Again leave 2 numbers and start from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Put a last dot here. Okay children, then draw a light line. Lightly you should do the line. See here. See children, lightly you should draw this line. Because if you did any wrong, when you rub that, you will get that line impression. For that reason, you should draw a light line. After this over, turn the paper. Once again start from here. From here to here you have a 19 centimeter. What you should do? Leave 1 centimeter here. After that, the next dot you should put a near 6. Again, the next dot you should start from 7 to 12. After that, start from 13 to 18. Then draw a here straight line. Either if you keep a paper like this means sleeping line. Okay children, then draw the next sleeping line. Observe children, to do the box you should see the measurement and lines properly. Children, for your reference, I will write the number on near the dot, but you should not write the number. Related to that number, you should put the dots children. 0, 1, 8, 10, 17, 19, 26, 27. Then here 0, 1, 6, 7, 12, 13, 18, the last number 19. No one is writing this number. Where you should put the dot? For that reason I given the number here. After that, you should take a eraser. Rub this. Keep your box ready. Using the boxes, it will look like this. Then make this box dark. See children, like this, dark each box. You should make a little dark like this. Okay children, now when it will be dark, it will look like this. Now you have to make dark all the boxes. Now after this, children, you have to write today's date here. Then write down the topic lines. Write down the topic lines, children. Then first we will start the first line. First we are doing a horizontal line. For this you should use a scale. See children, I will show how you should do. You should leave only this much space. Use a scale and draw a horizontal line, and at the down you should write down the horizontal line spellings. You should write horizontal line. Okay children, now you have to complete this one. I will also do my work. You should also do your work. After horizontal line over, we are doing a vertical line here. That means straight line. See children, how we should do the vertical line. We'll call as a straight line also. Write your vertical line. Vertical lines. Complete this line for full box. Vertical line, we are doing here diagonal line, that is a slanting line. I think all of you know how to draw the slanting line. That one we will call as a diagonal line. See here, like this you should do. Okay, and write down of that diagonal line. Diagonal lines. Like this you should complete for this full box. After the diagonal line, we will move to the curved line. For the curved line, just see children, curve. Draw a curve like this. Wherever you want, you can do the curve. Freely you should do. Freely you should draw the curves like this. Then after writing that, you should write here curved lines. Then now here we will do the wave lines. Draw a lines like a water wave. Write down here wave lines. After that, here intersecting lines we will do here. Intersecting lines, how we should do? No one is using scale here. Without using scale, you should draw a curve. Draw a slanting line. After the slanting line over, draw the opposite slanting line. like this you should draw, and this is the intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Then now we will go to the counter line. How it will be? Don't use the scale. Draw your lines dark, then follow lightly. See children? This line we will call as a counter line. Start it. You should start that one like a dark, end with the light tone. Okay, like this you should do. This one we'll call as a counter line. Write down here counter lines. Then here we should do the broken line. How we should do? Draw like this. Like this you should draw full, and at the down you should write the name of the line. Broken line. Broken lines. Do the broken line for full box. After the broken lines, we will go to the zigzag lines here. This is a zigzag line. Write down here. Zigzag lines. Okay, children. Now your work is ready. I think wavelines. See children, once again I will tell the lines name, and once again I will show the lines how it will comes. You have to observe that. This is a horizontal line. We will call as a sleeping line also this one. This is a vertical line, straight line. Okay, and this is a slanting line, that means diagonal line. And this is a curved line. This is a wavy line. This is a intersecting line. This is a counter lines. This is a broken line, and this is zigzag line. Okay children, I think you all are enjoyed this one. Okay, however I thought just observe that and do same like that children. Okay, you have to complete this. Okay, and I think you all are enjoyed. Complete it very fast. Okay children. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.